What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris Official. Hope you guys enjoyed the holidays. Coming at you with another reaction video. Chainsaw Man episode 9 reaction. I'm trying to hurry up and catch up on these episodes. I'm very excited to get into this episode. Last episode was insane. The whole squad got attacked. Everybody, you name them, we were just getting attacked left and right. It was a massacre. MAKIMA got shot in the head, and that hurt me. Yeah, man, it's looking pretty bad. I can't wait to see what happens next. Like, subscribe, and comment. Help me get to my in-year goal of 300 subscribers. We ain't got too much time left, man. With that said, I thank you all for watching, and we about to get straight to this video in 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, why they gotta throw us right back in with her, yo? I hope she killed this dude. Kill him right now. She's lost her arm? Come on, Aki, get up! Why they got starters right back here? Don't die. When I die, I hope you can cry for me. Oh my god! Ooh, she sacrificed her nail. I just peeped that. Just like how Aki be sacrificing like his skin or whatever to bring the wolf or the fox out. Did she just disappear? Come on. Yes, sir. I just love bad guys. Because nobody's gonna complain when I kill them. Yes, sir. Talk crazy then. My man talking crazy already. You hear this beat? This OST's kind of going crazy. Bring back. Yo, Aki is bleeding crazy. Ooh, come on, Deji. Yeah. Deji, man, you cannot let this dude beat you up, bro. Come on, take this man out. Stop playing with this dude. Ooh, ooh. Come on, Deji. Come on, Deji. Come on, be ready. Oh! He just cut him in half. Oh. The whole squad got lit up. Oh! Why y'all show her? Oh my god! That hurts, honey. Oh my god! That kind of scared me, bro. What the heck? Wait, she's not dead? No. She's just walking out like nothing happened. I came on the gunfire on the train, pretty much. Need to be cleaned up. I wasn't shot. What? Cap, I just seen. Oh my god, she did that? Yo, Makima different, bruh. She said she didn't get shot, man. We just saw her get shot in the head last episode. Bar 3 convict serving life. A nearby shrine. What she gotta do? Do a ritual or something? Itachi? Let me chill out. Oh! What? Confirm Makima's death. Makima's doing this? Oh my god! The crows! What the heck? Yo, whoa, Makima's a problem. Is she watching everybody from the crows? She really on some Itachi shit. Oh my god! Oh my god! She is brutal! Is she saying their names? She's just knocking them off. Are they dying too, the prisoners? Yo, I'm so confused. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so confused. Oh my lord. How you gonna yell somebody to help you and you got a hostage? Ain't nobody gonna help. What? Bro, she turned everybody into paint. Mush. I can't even say much because I don't even think there's no physical pieces left. They're just all red paint right now. This is crazy. How powerful is she? Who that? Oh, that's the girl that was... She survived? Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, turn up! What? She became a freaking superhero. Oh my god. She died. Oh! Oh my god! She turned up! She's just dodging bullets? Oh! Oh! She's as deadly as a shield, bro. She just moved to the side. Yo! Where was this when we were fighting the Infinity Devil in the hotel? Where was this energy at? She was all scared. I didn't even know she had this in her. She's a savage. Bro, she scared me a little bit. Is she laughing or crying? Oh! Blew her brains out. This job is driving me crazy. I believe you, girl. When I see him in I'll tell her I quit. Well, that's about to be a problem. Oh my God, she doesn't even know she's dead yet.
2か3か4かともに銃撃に遭い人外以外は
得意化だけを狙った銃での襲撃銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね
I know it has to be the gun devil, right?
人員不足のため
Due to the personal sin, all 4 divisions will merge into one.
4かをMAKIMAさん
Will be under your command from now on. Was this her plan? Was MAKIMA behind this? Something ain't right, bro. Something ain't right with her, bro.
僕の辞表です
My resignation.
なってきましたやめるか
Hey, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If I see my homies die like that, I'm quitting too, bro. I'm probably like, bro, I'm done.
最後に教えてください
I have one last question for you.
ま
How much of this had you anticipated? That's what I'm saying. Feels like she knew it was gonna happen, yo. I can't discuss public safety with a civilian. No, she's petty.
今までありがとう
She's petty as hell, bruh. Oh, nah, you're wild, MAKIMA. You're petty as fuck. Oh my God, nah, Mike. First of all, let me start off by saying these episodes have been insane. This episode was wild. I'm talking about wild. It was crazy. Something ain't right about MAKIMA, bro. I feel like I feel like she knew it was gonna happen. Second of all, I feel like she allowed it to happen, meaning that I feel like she had a hand in letting them sneak up on them, bro. Just so she could be in control. That is wild, bruh. First of all, did you see Short Ring? I don't even know the girl name. She came in blicking on him, sliced dude's arm off. What was all that energy? What was that energy at? Before she was all scary, talking about, oh, I wanted to go to college. You a savage. You need to be here. Nah, that was another good episode. Thank you all for watching with me. Like, subscribe, comment, help me get to my annual goal of 300 subscribers. We're running out of time, baby. With that said, thank you and peace.